how to fix Google Photos not downloading on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your downloads working again in Google Photos. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Google Photos and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Reopen Google Photos and try downloading again. In the next step, if downloads are still not working, go back to the app info page for Google Photos. Tap on Permissions. From there, tap on Files and Media and make sure it is set to Allow. Once done, reopen Google Photos and try again. Following this, open the Play Store and search for Google Photos at the top. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Google Photos not downloading, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.